Mass Academy unit number 4. Right now we are in exercise 4.2. We have here question number 6. There are almost 6 parts. So we are going to start first part, that is x cube plus 81. Remember, here we have main formulas, that is a cube plus b cube. मैं कह रहा मेन फार्मूला ए क्यूब बी क्यूब शिकल आया तो ए क्यूब बी क्यूब ओपन करने के प्लस बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर एंड सेकेंड फार्मूला वी हैव दैट इज ए क्यूब minus b cube. If we open a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. मतलब a cube minus b cube बराबर a minus b, a cube plus ab plus b square. Here the number is 81. Remember, 81 is not a cube number. X cube we can write, but 81 is not. There is no such number. If we multiply thrice, 81 comes. So the main number is, that is 27, or we can write also 64 because that is the cube of 4. But we have taken here 27 because 27 is a cube number as well. Now we can keep the formula like this: a cube plus b cube. We know 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, it comes 27. So that's why we are writing here in place of 27 3 to the power 3. Now we know this is how to open a cube plus b cube we have, then it is equal to a plus b, further a square minus ab plus b square. Right now we have a cube plus 3 cube, x cube plus 3 cube. So x plus 3 is our a plus b, x square minus a, it means x b 3 plus 3 cube 3 square, it means b square. Further we can write x plus 3 x square minus 3x, and that is 9. This question is over from here. Right now we have next part of this exercise, this question, that is part number 2 of question number 6. Main formula we using will be the same formulas, and right now the question we have, that is 8x cube plus 216 y cube. Now we know that 8 is the cube of 2 because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, multiplying 2 thrice 8 comes. So we can write in place of 8x cube 2x power 3. Same way 216 cube of 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, it means multiplying 6 thrice it comes 216. So in place of 216y cube we can write 6y cube. Now in front of us we have that the formula a cube plus b cube, as we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The same way we are going to magurami tarika abzai formula open kana make a cube plus b cube में दिमाया हीरा मलिकित kana 2x plus 6y, 2x is our a and 6y is our b. Further we write 2x square, then we write minus 2x into 6y because a b we are writing plus 6y square b square मलिकित. तो इधर मामी फार्मूला मुताबिक कुछ रोहन को second step of same लेकिन 2x plus 6y we are writing the same, and we know 2x square answer can come 4x square. 2x 6 2 multiplied by 6 it comes 12, xy minus sign is already there, and 6 is the square of 6 is 36 y square. The question is over from here. Come to next part of this question number 6, that is part number 3. We have x cube minus 1 over 64. Here we have a cube minus b cube. So make a cube minus b cube वाला formula apply हो गए. तो x cube जगह माले कितना ना in place of x cube x power 3 और 64 अगर मैं विचार 64 कॉमन नंबर है क्यूब ही x cube जगह माले कितना ना x to the power 3 minus 1 over 64 number make it 4 in 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 64 कहते हैं. तो मैं convert को a cube minus b cube 1 over 4 power 3 is we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So the same way we are going to open this formula. According to this formula, question is going to be written further. Our a is x and b is 1 over 4. So we write x minus 1 over 4 into a square, it means x square, plus ab, it means x into 1 over 4 plus b square, it means 1 over 4 square. The a minus b a square plus ab plus b square लिख further we are going to write it. X minus 1 over 4 will be written same, and x square x multiplied by 1 over 4 we can write x over 4 plus 1 over 4 square, it means 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, and 4 square is 16. Question is over from here. Come to next part, our next part right now, that is this part is easy, you can do it. And part number 5, next part में x power 6 y power 6 minus z power 6 x power 6 y power 6 minus z power 6. We are going to convert this one as a formula first of all. So we can write x cube y cube over all square, it means we are writing it a square, z cube over all square, it means we are writing or making it b square. हमारा मालूम है कि स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर छः बराबर हैं, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर बराबर हैं a plus b a minus b. According to this formula we are going to expand the above expression, that is we can write a plus b, it means x cube y cube plus z cube, and a minus b, it means x cube y cube minus z cube. We have written the formula according to the expression according to the formula. Further we have two formula, it means a cube plus b cube में करा देमा है और a cube minus b cube. तो ये दोनों नमा में फार्मूला मुताबिक पता. We can write it now. A cube, it means xy or a xy over all power 3 plus z over all power 3 into similarly xy power 3 minus z power 3. It means we make the formula. Now a cube plus b cube, we know this is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. एक फार्मूला में इस्तेमाल होगा, इन दोनों फार्मूला में करा a cube minus b cube के बराबर है a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square है. माँ ये दोनों फार्मूला at the same x equation in question तो का इस्तेमाल करना गाँव. So we can write this one x cube plus z cube, it means we can write x y plus z into xy square minus a is our right now xy, and b is our z, and plus z square. Next formula if we write, similarly we can write next formula x y minus z and into x square y square minus plus x y into z plus z square. इबो में नेक्स्ट फार्मूला में अप्लाई होते हैं. तो further we are going to expand this one is x y plus z into पता मैं कह रहा x y minus z लिख के तमाम मिशा लिखा x y minus z. इधर माँ माइनस जाने का भी तो प्लस को था माँ इधर असला इधर एक्स वाई माइनस जेड भी है.
ये फाइनल स्टेप में
लिखेगा है फर्दर
इसे फैक्टराइज
स्क्वायर
एक्स वाई प्लस जेड
एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर
एक्स वाई
माइनस एक्स वाई जेड प्लस जेड स्क्वायर.
दैट मीन दिस इज अ
सिमिलरली दोनों एक्सप्रेशन में करा
ओरिजिनली मना लिखी होता एक्स वाई
स्क्वायर वाई
माइनस जेड
प्लस एक्स वाई जेड प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन में चमें अच्छा कंप्लीट वो सिर्फ एक
Model next part, last part, that is part number 6, x minus 3y cube plus 125z cube. This one can be written x minus y. This is already in cube 5. 125, we know this is the multiple of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It comes 125. गुड़ा लिख कितना 125 पे जगह 5z power cube नो main solve मतलब a cube plus b cube form है, तो can we know that a cube plus b cube this is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this question formula, we are going to open this one. A our that is x minus 3y plus 5z b into, then we write a square. A square, it means x minus 3y square is our a, minus again a we write according to formula minus a is x minus 3y, and into b, that is 5z plus b square, it means 5z square. Last we write b square, it means 5z square. And after that, next step, we can write x minus 3y plus 5z we write. Then we are going to open the formula that we have a minus b square. It is a minus a b square formula, that we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means plus 3y square is our b square. After that, we are going to write multiplying 5 with x, it comes 5z, with x it comes 5 minus 5 xz minus, and again we are multiplying minus minus come plus 3y, it means 15 yz, and 5z square, it means 25z square. 5z square है मतलब भी 25z square. तो इधर तक क्वेश्चन में सरबू. आफ्टर दिस स्टेप we are writing same x minus 3y plus 5 अवली फैक्टर में हमी बुती और दुमी फैक्टर के माँ ओपन कोता x स्क्वायर और मा 2 और 3 मल्टीप्लाई द मेक रखे थे 6 minus xy और फदा 3a स्क्वायर मजाना की 3a स्क्वायर मेक रहा बिती 9y square it comes, or after that we already have minus 5xz and 15 plus 15 yz, और अमी वड़ा लास्ट मेक टर्म 25z स्क्वायर. इधर बेचारे एच लाइक टर्म नीस्ते एक्स स्क्वायर इंदगी एक्स स्क्वायर नी एक्स वाई ये वड़े इंदगी टर्म नीस्ते कि माशा ऐड बेकना लाइक टर्म नीस्ते. So there is no like term that we had to each other. So this is the final answer, and question is over from here.